Today we're taking a look at the 2013 Volvo S80 D4, a premium executive sedan that focuses on comfort,
safety, and Scandinavian simplicity. If you want a luxury car that's quiet, refined, and seriously underrated, this might be the one. The S80 carries a clean, elegant Scandinavian design. No aggressive lines, no over-the-top styling, just a mature and timeless look. Up front, you get Volvo's classic grille, projector headlights, and a long, smooth bonnet. From the side, the silhouette is sleek and understated, with chrome accents that remind you this is a premium sedan.
It's not a sporty sedan, but that's not the point. The S80 prioritizes comfort, stability, and stress-free driving. Step inside and the S80 shows its true strength. Comfort. You get Volvo's famous ergonomic seats,
high-quality leather, and a tidy center console with that floating design everyone remembers. Cabin space is excellent, especially for rear passengers. And the ride comfort? Soft, quiet, and perfect for long drives. It's not the most modern interior, but everything feels solid and well-built.
The 2013 Volvo S80 D4 is a hidden gem in the luxury kit. It offers comfort,
safety, strong fuel economy, and that clean Swedish design. If you want an executive car that's reliable, refined, and fantastic value for money, the S80 deserves a serious look.
คิดถึงรถคิดถึงเรา